We'll guide you through how to check your Prime Video password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to go and log in to Amazon Prime Video on another device. And so you wanted to go and check the password. We're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done. So for the first way, what you want to do is come out of Prime Video. So we are doing this on an iPhone, but you can follow along on other devices as well. So for the first way, you want to come and find if there's a passwords app on your device or in your settings. If you're using an Android, check your settings. On an iPhone, if you look in the utilities folder, there's an app called Passwords. You can drag down and go and search for it as well. You can then go and tap on it, unlock it by scanning your face. And you can then go and press search at the bottom. And of course, you can go and type in Amazon, as that's what it's going to be saved under. And then what you can do is you can go and click on it. And you can then go and see your username and tap on your password to go and reveal it there. And that will be your Prime Video password. So hopefully you managed to go and find it there. If you haven't, maybe it wasn't there, or you're using a different type of device, what you can try doing is opening up a web browser. Now, often it can be saved in the Google Password Manager. So what you want to do is come to google.com and tap your profile icon in the top right. If you've got multiple Google accounts, it's worth checking them. So you can go and press manage your Google account, go to the top right and press on the search, and you want to go and type in password manager, like so. You should then go and see the option and you can click on it. Tap search and you can go and type in Amazon, should be easy to find, and you can tap on it. Go and sign into your account and press the I to throw out a password to reveal it. And that should be it.